Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to Red Button Journal. Today it's just me and my car. We're gonna go a little drive today just to see how everything looks. We're gonna stay close to home because, as you all know, there's no place like home. So I'm gonna drive up Brown Man Hill. I've walked there before, but I've never driven up there. So we're gonna give that a try and see how it goes. So here we go. Okay, here we are. As you can see, well, maybe you can't see. Oh, I'm gonna have to go uphill 60 because they looks like they finished their water pipe up in there. Yes, indeed. This used to be a shop here that burned out at one point. But anyway, I'm just gonna kind of slowly go through the neighborhood and see what we have. I don't know a lot about it, so I don't know how much talking I'll be able to do. But I will do a little bit. Everybody's looking. Everybody's looking. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's Papel's father. He's always really been nice to me, you know. And we got some new construction going on over here, as you can see. I gotta honk at everybody. You can't see everybody on the other side of the road. There's a goat sitting under the tree there. Well, I do have a little frog in my throat today again, so I don't know what's up with that, and I do apologize. I can't help myself, but I do feel better. I do feel better. Nothing a red stripe couldn't fix, I'm pretty sure. Well, I'm anxious to see how this video looks because this car is really bouncing around on this road, and I don't have my stabilizer set real hard. But you know, I'm always talking about my cameras, and part of the reason I'm talking about them today is because I'm kind of doing a little test run here on some of my settings to try to keep my cameras from getting hot, because I'd kind of upped them here this last time and then I had a little problem. So we'll just keep testing them and figure it all out. Anyway, this is Brown Man Hill. As you can see, it's kind of a treacherous road in spots. It kind of looks like maybe they dug up over here to maybe do some water, but at the same time, it could just be the water washed out the asphalt and went down to the mall. So I guess I don't know for sure. I don't know for sure. But this is Brown Man Hill, people. And I haven't been up here very long. I haven't been on the road very long, for very far. And this is the old Brown Man shop right here. Yep. No place like home. This is home territory for us, although we don't really walk up this road that often, just because of where we go, and we don't really drive it much either. But you know, since it's so close, I thought, you know, I just want to go out this morning and kind of check things out, and so here I am. That's what I'm doing. So ooh, look at these pretty flowers. Those are nice. Very nice. Well, when I get up here a little ways, I'm going to check everything, make sure everything's set the way I want, and that everything's holding on. I'm still getting some looks, which is okay, because I'm just sitting in the car, just driving along, minding my own business. So it's all good. It's all good. Brown Man Hill. And the reason it's called Brown Man Hill, well, that looked like a June plum tree back over there. The reason it's called Brown Man Hill is because a brown man, as opposed to a black man, used to run a shop over here. And so people that are lighter skinned in Jamaica, they call him a brown man. And so that's how they got the name for this location here, Brown Man Hill. You can see the road's a little rough, but you know, just like we don't go out every day, although we're trying to because of our YouTube, you know, people. And I do apologize, Madge couldn't be with me today. She got things to do at the house, you know. All right, this is a steep hill here, and I know I can get down it because even water goes downhill. Look at it, people! Oh my goodness! The question is, can I get back up it, or am I gonna just be out of luck? We're gonna find out how good this Subaru really is here in a minute. Woo! Oh, goodness, goodness, goodness. We shall see. We shall see what we see and what we do. We got to do a little waterworks here. Looks like the bikemen go up on the side, but I'm just going to go right through it because I got a Subaru. Yeah. When you got a Subaru, you can do such things. And there, see all the pasture out there. Madge and I did drive over here the other day, but we didn't go up top. And we were marveling at the number of people that have their livestock tied and, you know, are good, doing a good job of the animal husbandry and such. So let me get myself turned around here, people, and see if I can make it up that hill. Okay, who thinks I can make it up the hill and not? Jump on the comments and say what you think, because we're about to find out if this Subi can make it. Now, people know about Subarus probably going to say yes, and people that don't know about Subarus might say no. But then again, when you take a hard look at this, I know I couldn't make it up if I had a car full of people, because I actually noticed this got a small engine in this Subaru, you know. Oh, somebody's stoning their goats up there, and they came running down, the one fell into the other. Oh boy. But anyway, it's got a small engine for a Subaru. One of the smaller type engines, you know. Subarus don't have big engines, but they got the special kind of transmission that makes them so they're very efficient. But if I have a full load on, I definitely notice it going up a steep hill. Oh, there's a ackee tree there. Okay, people, we're getting close. Get your comments in. If you got to pause the video, that's fine. Do a pause. Do a pause and come back to me. Tell me what you think. In the meantime, you can look at the ackee there. You can look at this house over here. You can look at up the road. Okay, here we go, people. I'm going to have to stick it on the road. Oh, there's a soursop, but they're dried up. Okay, should I take a run at it or just go nice and easy? Nice and easy. I think I'm going to try to go nice and easy because I think this Subi can do it. Oh, hear it spinning? Hear it spinning, people? Ah! Subaru can make it no problem. A little spinning, that was it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My Subaru gives me no trouble. I just went right up that hill. Did you see that? Yeah. I'm proud of my Subi. Proud of my Subi. I got a good setup here, people. But the main thing is that you're all going to get to enjoy the beauty of Jamaica. And, you know, this may not be all the fanciness and stuff, but look at the colors on this home. That's really pretty. Oh, looks like they got a new fridge. A lot of breadfruit trees along and through here. I think I might have mentioned that when I was doing my walk that one day. And a lot of times there's people along in here that'll holler out at me too. But I don't really see anybody out today. It's kind of already warmed up, you know. God bless our home, it says. Well, I don't know how much of this I'll leave in and how much I'll take out, people. But I'm getting a good test. And just look at the scenery here. Imagine living up here and just seeing the... It's just like a forest, you know? Just like living in a forest. A rainforest, you know? I mean, it really is. Someday I ought to see if I can drive that road. I've walked that road before, imagine I have. And went off to the left. But today, we're gonna go straight. I'm gonna keep it up. I'm gonna keep it straight. Oh, there's Lemmy. Hey, Lemmy. He's not out selling today, taking the day off. Taking the day off. Well, I'm staying cool and comfy and safe and comfy. If you notice, oh, you can't see my hands right now, but if you could see my hands, you'd see I've got 2 hands on the steering wheel. And here's the Jamaica Evangelical Association, Cheswick Branch Church. Okay. And you know, the road's plenty wide. Look at that. I passed somebody. Well, some of y'all might not think it's very wide, but it's wide enough. You know, and neither one of us are going very fast. You know, he sat down there at the bottom of the road, if you noticed. Kind of waited on me to see if I was going to have a spot I could get over. And once he saw I had a spot I could get over, then he went ahead and headed on up. But before that, he didn't, you know, he didn't try to do that. So. Oh boy, just kind of see the local people that I always see around, you know. It's the same people. I'll get way over so he can get to going. There's Papel's father coming down the other side of the street. You can't see over there, but I had to give him a beep on my horn, you know. I had to give him a beep on my horn. Here's a little auto mechanic place. Okay, we're back to the Chiswick Square. I'm tempted to go up Hill 60. Boy, this looks different than when I walked it the other day, people. This looks way different, way different. Then they're going to come back and pave this, I understand, but it looks like they've got the water in. All the new water pipes are in. Seems like they ought to build it up a little bit, put a little mall on it, kind of build it up. Otherwise, it's just going to be a river coming down through here. So yeah, it isn't bad at all, really. Not bad at all, really. Well, gotta make a quick trip of it, because we have walked up here and looked at everything, but man, this looks different. Way different now today. Way different. Yeah, I can go right to the top. I'm not going to. I think I'm going to turn around right here. I think I'm going to turn myself around right here. Ah, there we go. I could have just gone to the top and turned around, but so well, it didn't take them really all that long to do this. I'm kind of impressed a little bit with how quickly they got it done. I really, truly am. Yeah, they did good work. They did good work. Once they get this paved, this is really going to be nice. And what I understand they're going to do is they're going to, those tanks up on top, I had in my mind that they were going to service just this area. And then there were two lines going up, and I thought, well, they must be going to have, you know, more water coming down. But then I thought, wait a minute, you got to get the water up there. So one line sends it up. I don't know why I didn't think of that the first time. And the next line sends it back down. But I understand that those tanks are going to end up supplying more than just Hill 60. It's going to be some additional neighborhood besides. So that'll be nice. That'll be a nice deal. Because I don't know how many feet up that is, you know, how many meters. But we'll get some nice water pressure if we get part of this. I don't know that we will. But if we do, that'll be a nice deal. So I'm going to pull over here and finish off my video right here. All right. Then finish it off here, right here, people. All right, viewers and subscribers, thanks for joining me on my little outing today. Be sure and like, share, comment, and subscribe for the latest from Red Button Journal. Big up yourself. Bless up yourself. Since Madge isn't here, I'll do the amen for Madge. And we'll see you again in the next one. Later.